plastic, metal, wood, glass.
What do you mean indoor, outdoor? It's gonna be
Because it's
closed.
gonna rain. The rain might get on them. Yeah, supports up to 15 pounds.
What is your carbon? Well, first we gotta figure out if it is carbon fiber. It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's
I mean,
not.
I don't have the mic close enough to. I think if you're ever gonna sell that car, you're gonna.
We're keeping the wing on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. People would want that wing.
It came with the car.
It came with the car. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber directly from
Directly
from VM.
China, Germany.
Anyway, toi, c'est pas bien compliqué là. Ça.
Why are you laughing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get. Sorry, my points are 22.63. I'm gonna get 2 large double doubles.
So 2 large coffees and they're both double double.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get 1 large iced coffee. So the first time it was, you have to test it out. It's not good. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, we weren't all class clowns in high school.
They don't learn a lot. These younger generation, but they don't know how to tell a good story. Bro. I think I tell the best stories.
Yeah, because you're a class clown. Start setting up. So obviously, my fidget toy.
Okay.
But here you go.
My Samsung.
It's yours. Sorry, sir.
Sir.
Also, I don't think I customized this one. This
Funny, my mic was dying last time.
Oh, I did. But he's completely.
Let's see it fully.
Oh my god, 2 idiots. There's no way.
It's the simplest things.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it is a big, like, when you get there, but as soon as
you see the yellow line,
you'll get the attention of the cop over there.
is there a cup? Or
You probably can't see it, but there's.
can't get a ticket.
What do you mean you
Boris
can't?
told me when they're assigned to like traffic duty, for example, like the lights,
Yeah?
they're not allowed to leave their post. So even if they see you doing something, they're not going to take a ticket.
No, that could be like.
So Boris says every time he passes one, he always speeds. Just to like rub it in.
Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot.
Can you set up the thing? Yeah, we gotta check the location. This gotta be good. Home point updated. Takeoff permitted. Ready up. I didn't even check the mic. Yeah, it's not bad. but here there's no.
I got a question for you guys.
Go for it.
From here, can you see the lake over there?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
It's all frozen still.
Yeah, it's all looking good.
Even over here, like closer over there.
Like over here?
Yeah, closer from here. Like right under your drone, exactly.
Right under my drone. This is right under you.
Yeah. If you just, because I fish a lot of this lake, so I just wanted to know some part of it.
Yeah, because driving here, everything still looks frozen.
Everything looks frozen, exactly.
Because we're from Montreal, so we're expecting to see like nice lakes, nice everything. And I'm like, okay, I didn't expect it to be this like cold.
Yeah, two weeks ago was going on the good side, but we had freezing rain here and a lot, so it made another huge, for like 2 or 3 days freezing rain, so it made a huge shield over it again. Exactly, huge shield of ice again. But that's nice.
Yeah, but no, everything's still frozen.
Yeah, but one of the best times if you guys come to Montreal, next time, one of the best times is when the leaves change colors. It's freaking amazing here. All the mountains are orange, red, yellow,
that must
green.
be awesome. Yeah, because right now there's nothing.
No, it's empty. It's great. It's the most ugly part of it. Like all during summer and then there are like multiple colors. The lake is beautiful for the pictures and videos. So guys,
Thanks.
have a nice day.
Take care, guys.
Yo, it felt like a shot. It listened like a gunshot.
It's so cold. I don't know. In Montreal, it's like peak summer right now. It's like 17 degrees, bro. And here it's like,
Yo, it's a little. Yo, that's
what's the map like?
What?
Do you want to go to the airport?
Le Vieux-Port, Montréal? What day are we? Monday? Oh, we're already past, or by the time we get there, it's past traffic.
We're there at 6.
What?
We're at the airport at 6. You know what Boris was saying about Florida? I don't know if you felt that way. But what do you think about this? Like, bro, in Florida, everyone's so nice.
Remember I told you? Everybody's nice. There's not a single interaction I had that was bad.
I'm like, yo, bro, it's weird because normally like we're supposed to be the nice ones in Canada. He's like, yo, bro, in Florida, like everyone's happy.
Remember I told you?
He was telling me like when we go like outside, like everyone talks to each other.
Everybody's nice to each other.
That's what
And
he was saying. He was like, we were biking.
the
and running
employees are nice.
Oh, yeah?
Everybody's like, hi. People that are working like dogs, non-stop. They're
so
like,
happy.
how's your day? And then I was like,
Yeah, he was like, you know what?
I'm not.
What'd you fit in Minecraft? They labeled it for you.
What is it? Oh, it's just a Big Mac churro with this. $16? What? That's wild. That's wild.
I'm surprised you're going for it, bro.
I mean, I just wanna, maybe I get the Grimace because that's like the rare one.
Oh yeah? People are selling it?
Yeah, this idiot's selling it for 100, and then he brought down the price because he realized no one's actually buying.
cares?
Yeah, no one's actually. $20, that's crazy. I saw one guy, he didn't get the Grimace, he went back and bought another one. That's crazy.
The other milk?
I don't know, I don't remember. What the fuck?
I feel like they're like 7 years old.
Okay, nothing.
They're like my son or something.
Shut the fuck up. Bro, it's not stopping. Yo. Bro, what? Clean my hands.
Oh, okay. We'll clean them.
Oh wait, no. Shut up! I'm surprised you, the biggest nerd of all of
Gonna
all.
buy a Minecraft book.
Yeah, your youngest self would have hated. Remember we used to say like, oh, how many Big Macs I could buy with a credit card.
I know, but we'll have a different plan.
Yo, look.
What's the gift? Tell me, what is this? What did you pay? $55 extra for?
People would like actually open it like super delicately.
Oh, maybe they're gonna sell it. They're fries.
What the hell? I opened it perfectly. All right, well, money.
It's supposed to be Grimace?
Oh, I got the hat. I mean, it's not bad. Alright, another $20.
Is
Yeah.
it gonna fit on truck, bro? Sure, is that too big of a...
collection.
This is that much gold.
Scan to unlock your exclusive in-game Minecraft Bedrock edition. I gotta have this helmet. Not only did you talk about shit about him, he goes, "Nice chemise," which is a translation of nice ass. That's basically what he said to you. Oh, your mic's still here.
I don't think what he said.
Oh, that guy probably thinks he has a better car than you. Like, ouais, tu sais, la mienne, ça fait blah, 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 avec le rust. Oh yeah, does your car sound like that?
No, definitely not.
I don't know, that's a shame though.
Oh, good for that guy. He was walking with so much confidence. It's like he didn't know where to shit. I actually hate it. We're like an all-star level hater. Hall of Fame. People that just live their life and we just talk shit.